Before I proceed with this project, I'm going to fix the backside of the bed. As you see, this part is wavy. I removed all the light and I'm going to disconnect them so they don't get damaged. I'm going to try to clamp a 3x3 angle and use the torch and hammer and try to straighten this as much as possible. I'm also going to strengthen this part of the wall to be able to support the load and the gate operation. I'm planning to mount the hinges over here and I need this to be very strong. It took a lot of heating and beating, but it is straight now. I fixed this part, it is straight right now and look nicer than before. I braced the top of the bed because I'm planning to do some cutting and welding on both sides and I want to make sure they stay square and straight. It measures 97.5 at the bottom. 97.5 at the top. A 101" and 15/16 of inch to the corner over here, and it reads the same this way. 101" and 15/16 of inch. So this should stay the same after I do the cutting and welding. I'll bring the camera closer over here and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this part over here and remove it, and I'm going to bring 2x2 angle and I will weld it this way. The top part of the angle will be pointing outside, and I'm going to put one over here, but this one I'm going to notch it to fit inside here, and they will be extended all the way to the top, and I will weld them on the side. This way it will be very strong and it will prevent this wall from bend. After I cut this on both sides, I made sure the opening of the gate still square and parallel. Then I cut this angle iron, 2" by 2" 1/4 inch thick. I 45 one end like this to match this one over here. So if you look from the back or from the side, it look continuous or it look the same. I clamped it and I made sure to space it the same at the top and at the bottom. I made 2 of them, one for each side. I also made 2 angles and I formed this shape so they will fit perfectly over here, and I could weld it to this C channel, and then it sit perfectly. I set it like this, and then I measure it, marked it, and then I set it like this, and then marked it, and then I cut it with the angle grinder. And I'm ready to weld it. I welded the angles on both sides. I have hard time today seeing it through the mask due to the weather. It's very cold and it's been raining on and off, and my breath was covering the shade inside. It's very strong weld. I inspected every weld by hit it with the grinder and the wire brush. It fused the metal together and it's very strong. After I finish weld everything, I remove the strap and the angle, and right now it reads 97.25 at the top and 97.5 at the bottom. Across it reads 100 1" and 13/16 of inch. I tried to straighten it with the sledgehammer. I hit it a few times over here and a few times over there. That didn't do anything, and that tell me the wall right now is very strong and it will be able to handle the load and the gate operation. Hopefully when I weld the sheet metal over here, that will put some weld stress and it will open it up an 1/8 inch on each side, and that will put it back at 97.5 at the top. Other than that, I'm done for today. It's fixed to get dark. I will continue this tomorrow.